Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless here. If no one told you today, you are good enough and you're smart enough to be anything you want in life. The hair that I'm working with today, I'm excited about because it's my first time using it. It's the Vivica A. Fox Kinky Marley hair. The color that I'm using is the color 1B. To start off, I part the hair in a zigzag motion. So the size of the parts matter because in order to do medium to large locks, you have to have medium to larger parts. So before even putting in the locks, I pre-section and braid out a few of the hair just to speed things up. Ladies, if you want your locks to be thick, start off by taking 4 to 5 pieces of hair to create that lock. It's so important to crochet these thick pieces of hair into your braid carefully because if you do it too rough, you can cause breakage. So be as gentle as you can. At this point, as I wrap the hair, I'm wrapping it very loosely, which later on, I'm gonna find to be a problem. It's better to wrap the hair more tightly so that it stays and it lasts. Because if you wrap it loosely, the hair is going to start to unravel within a day or so. As I get to the bottom of the hair, I start wrapping about 2 to 3 pieces or so just to taper the hair down and make sure that it's still thick but not too thin. Here you see me wrapping 4 pieces. So from each lock it varies. Sometimes I wrap 4 pieces, sometimes I wrap 3. It depends. I'm just watching it and see how thick I want it or how thinner I want it. I wouldn't say that all the locks are the same size because the locks in the front are definitely thicker than the locks that I create in the back, and you're gonna see that a little later on, but it doesn't matter because at the end of the day it all was uniform. As I get to the bottom of the lock, in order to maintain that thickness, I just take whatever pieces of hair that's left and I start wrapping it back up. So the next part is so important because this technique allows you to give your locks a more realistic look. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a small strand of the hair and I'm wrapping it tightly around the lock. And as I do this, it's just gonna give the lock a more realistic look.
Are you listening? Damn.
Here I'm just showing you guys the size of the parting and the size of the braids.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you've never done faux locks before and you want to try it on yourself, go ahead and try it. Putting faux locks in is a great way to try dreadlocks without the commitment. If you've been wanting dreadlocks for a long time but you're not sure what it's gonna look like on you, try the faux locks.
So Sasha, like, what you trying to do with her hair? Like, I don't like it. I mean, it's not cute to me. No, honey.
What don't you like about it?
Everything. Ew.
Okay, now you're just being a hater.
Well, okay then. Like, girl, I don't like it. Like, why they gotta be so big? What happened to the cute small ones? You know, like the cute little ones that look real? Like, that don't even look real.
Why do you always have something bad to say about my work?
Cause I don't like you. Like, you too bougie. How you up in your videos trying to teach dreadlocks? You don't even sound black.
Now is not the time for this, okay? Like, I'm not doing this with you right now.
I'm not doing this with you right now. You just mad because you know I ain't lying. If you gonna be teaching people how to do dreadlocks, talk
Go
black.
away, as I swear I'm gonna call Dyfus.
You wouldn't.
Try me. Need you to be quiet so I can finish teaching this tutorial.
Oh my god, I need to take away your black card. She don't even know how to say shut up. Like, shut up. Shut up. Say shut up.
Right here, I'm just showing you guys what the parting looks like. So if you want to create this style, you have an idea of what to do. And here's the back. For the beginners, I'm just going to show you guys one more time what to do with one of the dreadlocks in the back. I know you can do this. I'm rooting for you. Believe in yourself. You can do this on your own head, or if you want to be a hairdresser, just start. Just start. You can do this. I'm taking my 5 pieces and I'm crocheting it into this lock. I'm being extra gentle. There's going to be a short piece and a long piece. I'm taking the long piece and I'm wrapping it around the shorter piece. Take your time with this. Wrapping it more tightly, make sure that the style stays, because if you wrap it loosely, it won't stay. It'll unravel in a couple of days. But when you're wrapping it tightly, make sure that it's not too tight to the point where it's gonna pull the hair out of your client's scalp or your scalp. It's your hair, treat it with TLC. Ooh, another thing that I want you guys to be aware of is in the beginning, oh God, in the beginning I made a mistake. When I started wrapping the hair, I didn't taper it at all. I just started wrapping and the hair was kind of bulky and untapered, but I find that when you taper the hair first, so fizzle out the ends with your fingers a little bit, you get a nicer, smoother result. Girl, I can't tell you how much hair I put on one lock. Oh my God. I probably put like 10 pieces per lock, but that's what it takes to make the hair full. The best part is to take a small piece of the hair and wrap it around some of the locks. That gives it such a beautiful, realistic, luscious looking look. This part is optional. You can dip the hair in hot water or you could leave it as is. When you dip it in hot water, it just relaxes the hair and makes it flow more naturally. Accessories are a great way to add that pop of color to the style. So honey, you can wear it natural the way it is, or you can dress it up and walk around looking like a Egyptian, African, Mongolian goddess.